Hello, I'm James Parkin. I'm welcome to Living Life, DMV style. Now, if I say the word Sweden, what comes into your head? ABBA? Sven-Göran Eriksson? Volvo? Or flat-Pak furniture? Now with flat-Pak furniture, the obvious place you'd think to go to is IKEA. Now IKEA is probably one of Sweden's biggest companies and has got stores all over the world, and it's probably the obvious place to go to if you want to buy a piece of furniture that you've got to build yourself. Now not only is IKEA good for that, but another good thing about it is the cafe area, and especially the meatballs. Swedish meatballs from IKEA are my favourite and probably the best, and it's so tasty. So in a few minutes go on to IKEA to show you it, but first I'm going to go to the store and have a look round. So here we go. The first thing that I do when I go to a place like this is the customary toilet stop. Look at this for a toilet! I can spin around. The changing places in the IKEA. Well, really could have two in there. I've never seen a toilet this big. This is huge. After that surprise, I decided to take a look around IKEA. Hello, this is not my house. So here are the meatballs from IKEA, and they're served with mashed potato and peas, and this sort of like gravy, but it's got a strange taste to it, but nice. But I certainly really enjoy having these, and every time I go to IKEA, it's always a choice of mine to go and get some meatballs from the cafe, because it's really tasty and not bad value.
A few moments later.
And as you can see, all the meatballs are polished off fairly quickly. Although it was very filling, so I didn't manage to eat the rest of it. But certainly a really good thing to have for dinner. Now I'm going to look around the rest of the store. Well, this is the area in IKEA here. Oh, okay. Well, this is the area in IKEA where they sell all the flat-Pak furniture. So the things that you saw in the showroom, this is where you collect them, and basically assemble them when you get home, and it's absolutely massive. It's huge, this area.
Was it on the first thing?
Now, going to IKEA was certainly very interesting. It's certainly like a maze going around the store, and sometimes it feels like you're going into Sweden even though you're not, because the way the store's designed, it's just so European. But also, going for the meatballs are really tasty, and I really enjoyed it. And I enjoyed it so much that I actually got a bag at home with IKEA meatballs that I can basically have and put on the hob for a few minutes, and I can eat them at home. So certainly that's definitely one of my favourite foods. I'm glad I went and show you it. One last thing. What about that changing places toilet? Probably the biggest one I've ever seen. Like, I still can't believe it. But certainly, that was good. And I'm going to do another video in future specifically about changing places. So watch out for that. So thank you everyone for watching this video. And thank you everyone for watching the recent videos. I really appreciate it. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.